Hi everyone, thanks for watching. On this video we are going to learn the new song by the Rolling Stones, Living in a Ghost Town. Chords are A minor, D minor and E7. So we're gonna play A minor starting from the 5th fret with our index finger, and we are going to cover all the strings. We're going to add the ring finger and the pinky, ring on the 5th string 7th fret and the pinky on the 4th string 7th fret. D minor is very similar. How we have to do is just moving down the ring and pinky to the 4th and the 3rd string and add the middle finger to the 2nd string 6th fret. Then E7, my index on the 5th fret 2nd string, my middle finger on the 4th string 6th fret, my ring finger on the 5th string 7th fret, and my pinky on the 3rd string 7th fret. So on the next clip we are going to have a look at the strumming pattern. So you will see the letters D and U on the right side of the screen at the bottom. D is for down and the U is for up. But there are a few letters in brackets, and that means that we are muting the strings with our left hand. That's the difference. Muting and pressing. Sometimes actually during the strumming pattern, at the end of D minor or E7, I add this little lick. So I just go down starting from the 8th fret on the 6th string. I'm gonna play 8, 7 and 5. So pretty much throughout the whole song we're going to use mainly A minor, D minor and E7, but at the end of the second verse we have a few new chords. So the second verse is the only one different than the others. So F minor 6, that's the first chord. F minor 6, I play the chords on the first position and I do a barré on the first 3 strings, on the 3rd, 2nd and 1st strings. Then I add the ring finger to the 4th string, 3rd fret, and the pinky on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. After F minor 6 we have A minor again, then we go back to F minor 6 and then we have E major on the first position, so index on the 3rd string 1st fret, middle finger on the 5th string 2nd fret and the ring finger on the 4th string 2nd fret. And we play all the strings. Then we have F major 7, index on the 2nd string 1st fret, middle finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret and the ring finger on the 4th string 3rd fret. Then all we have to do is move the same shape that we have for F major 7th to the 3rd fret. Again, we play the chord starting from the 4th string and we keep the 1st string open. We have G6. The last one is a G sharp diminished, and I have my index on the 4th string 6th fret, middle finger on the 2nd string 6th fret, ring finger on the 3rd string 7th fret, and the pinky on the 1st string 7th fret. Thanks again for watching the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.